And yes, as you prefaced, we are so honored to have an opening words by the Honorable President, Dr. Fortune Charumbira, who is President of the Pan-African Parliament to the African Union. Please, President.
Thank you. Can I proceed?
You can proceed, please.
Thank you. As been mentioned, I'm the acting president of the Pan-African Parliament. That is the parliament representing the voices of the peoples of Africa, which is an organ of the African Union. I'm indeed elected to have been included on the list of presenters and contributors to this discussion on fair, ethical patients data records in health facilities in Africa. Africa has suffered immensely under the corona pandemic, but this has not given much attention. This is part because the data was unavailable. This conference here today will demonstrate how to improve the situation, because this is of great relevance to our continent. What has triggered the interest of the Pan-African Parliament is that this innovative health data architecture has been developed by African scientists. What we find interesting is that the innovation is made to fit African situations. What makes us proud is that the architecture developed in Africa might become an example for the world to follow. The issue of digitalization is of immense importance to Africa. We realize that our youth will enter the digital economy and that we need capacities to add value to the digital world. But we also know that this digital economy should be a fair economy, that Africa should set the terms of what a digital society looks like. We know that data, the resource of the new economy, needs to be handled in an ethical way, and that this resource, the data, should be ours. We know that data should be owned in the place where it is produced, and in our case, in Africa. The innovation presented today is filling us with hope that this fills us with hope into the new world in which local control over data can be exercised whilst working together with others in other places where it is needed. An innovation developed within African expertise by African science and African capacities. It is for this reason and with immense pride that I've accepted the invitation to open this conference today. I congratulate all who made this a success. The Pan-African Parliament encourages any such scientific innovation that will benefit the well-being of our people on our continent and at a global scale. I declare this conference open. I thank you.
Thank you so much. That was a very inspiring opening, and we are honored again to have you with us.